I am Laura Lawrence with cinnamonandsilverjewelry.com or cinnamonandsilver.com. This is my first live shopping Facebook experience. So since with all the COVID stuff, I hope you guys are getting vaccinated as you're able to. And I thought that I would try to bring the jewelry shopping to you. So let's get started. Have my little notes over here. Cinnamon and silver jewelry is, we've got so many different kind of styles and things that I work with, very eclectic. I just get excited about, you know, colors especially, and just things that are fun to wear, they're comfortable, they should be easy to put on, things that are usually lightweight. Hi Kitty. Kitty's jumping on my videographer now. You know, a lot of my stuff is very customizable. So most things, if they are too short or too long, that just, you know, send me a note. I can easily adjust most pieces. If something's just a little off, like say there's a pair of earrings and you love the fishhook style, but these are, you know, post style, again, let me know. I can also change out findings if you have ear sensitivities, which I have the most sensitive ears in the world. It's kind of obnoxious. So I know all about that. Just let me know, like I said, and I can fix that. So to get started with things, I've got a couple different stations set up, and I've recently reorganized both my shop online and my jewelry setup here. I need to get a couple of bigger stands so this doesn't look quite so messy, but we have these in order of color since St. Patrick's Day is coming up and springtime. Oh my gosh, you guys, it was 60 degrees outside today and sunny, and I was like a kiddo. I ran outside in a skirt and barefoot on my deck and just had a blast. Now, of course, it's getting colder and it's about to rain, but spring's coming. So we have the greens, and I noticed when I was putting these on, I really like medallions with the green colors for some reason, but I've got a couple of those. We have them in all different shades of beautiful green. There is, whoops, olive green, and this one is fun because it's actually made from a vintage button, and it has a little bit of the gunmetal in there. And if you find anything that you just, you know, gotta have, or it would be a great gift for somebody, go ahead and tag it in the comments, and I will catch up with you and write you back later after this session, and we'll get that going. You're also free to shop online, cinnamonandsilver.com, all one word, cinnamon and silver. And all of these pieces, I just updated my shop, so everything should be on there now except for just a couple pieces. So you can shop that way too at your leisure.